good evening everyone. Okay, so आज I'm with my husband. Say hello.
Hello, hello.
Okay, तो मैं आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं डेट पे. पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं. Where are we going? Going to Joyce Pub. Joyce Pub.
Friends called me.
चलो तो आपको दिखाते हैं हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कहाँ जाते हैं, what will happen सब. अभी तो क्रिसमस ईव है आज, इसलिए we are going to Joyce. Okay, see you. यहाँ पे आई थिंक हैव समथिंग एंड फिर उसके बाद विल गो समवेयर एल्स. Merry Christmas everyone. Fish finger has arrived. यहाँ का फिश फिंगर बहुत फेमस है. तो how is it? Price?
Not like before.
Let's try the fish finger. Nice. So इस तरह से है अभी चौरास्ता का माहौल, बिल्कुल लाइटों से भरा हुआ. ओके, सो हमने जोइस छोड़ दिया. अब वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट बार. ऑफ कोर्स अब सर को डिफरेंट बार्स में पीना है. सो वी गोइंग. Just fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. You know.
Yeah, it's
Reminds
fun.
me of my bygone days. You know.
Old days
Old
when we
days,
were
man.
young. Huh?
Yeah. When we
Oh,
were
we are still
wild
young.
and young. I'm still young.
Okay,
You're
yeah.
old.
Oh. Please comment में बोलना who looks old. We look at him.
आप लोग जरूर बोल दीजिए हाँ. Without mustache, I'm very young.
But you are a father of 3 sons, huh?
And you're a
You better
mother
look
of
like a
three,
yeah,
three sons.
I know. You better look like a father. Okay. So look at the lights. कितना अच्छा लगता है ना? Like we know some festive season is going on. दिवाली में भी इस तरह से होता है.
Christmas Eve, man. It's Christmas Eve in Darjeeling. Gotta be lively, you know. Live life. King size.
Ooh, and that's the crowd. Full on crowd है, full on crowd. हाँ, हम भी टूरिस्ट जैसा बिहेव कर रहे हैं. लोकल होके
हम लोग भी टूरिस्ट ही तो है क्या?
थोड़ा टूरिस्ट फीलिंग भी कर सकते हैं कभी-कभी.
Just coming from Dubai.
Korea. We're coming from Korea.
खाना कोरिया खा लग रहा है.
사랑해. That's love. 칼라르다. I forgot, yeah?
감사합니다.
No, 감사합니다. Thank you.
Yeah.
안녕하세요. Something like that.
Sinasio, Sinasio.
कुछ तो बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं कमेंट में लिखना. Okay.
What's group here?
What's going on? Okay, so we have come to Tavern. It's in Tungsung. Very renowned. बोले क्या बोले ना? It's very popular. So we have come to Tavern. Yeah. ETK. Which way is it? This way. Okay. Chaurasta Tavern. Going up. Okay. So it's a fit check in the washroom of Tavern. This is what I'm wearing today. I love this jacket. Yes, एक और चीज मुझे दिखाना था आप लोगों को. Look at this, guys. कम ऑन यार, कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट में सैनिटरी नैपकिन मिलता है? सो बिग कुडोस टू Tavern. वेरी गुड जॉब, बिकॉज एज अ वुमेन आई कैन से कहीं पे भी हमको ज़रूरत पड़ सकता है इसका, यू नो, एंड इट्स सो नाइस ऑफ यू टू कीप इट इन द वॉशरूम. Me, on behalf of all the women, I think I would like to say thank you to you and appreciate your effort. Big thumbs up. All right, so we have come into Tavern, and this is the wine walking. I think आज Christmas Eve है ना. Christmas में I think there'll be like lot of crowd. आज तो इतना नहीं है. Yeah.
हाँ बोलिए, क्या बनना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, I think this is your friend's restaurant, right?
Actually, it's my friend's, my brother's restaurant. You know?
It's so soon. Cousin Lada, I have to edit this music.
Yeah, it's my friend's, my brother's restaurant. They're like, it's a partnership
Very
hub. Yeah, it's a partnership hub. There are like 6 people, 6 of them. Both 6 of them, I'm very good with them. So whenever I feel like having something, I make sure I don't miss this place, you know. That's it.
Okay, guys, if you want good music, good vibe, come to Tavern. Okay, it's worth it. Thank you. Cosmo has come. Come on, let's cheers. So I'm having Cosmopolitan, and Puchung is having what? Brandy. Brandy. So this is Samara's second drink. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh my god. Sumbuka.
In winters, have brandy in winters
With warm water.
with warm water because clears your throat, your sinuses.
You feel warm, I think, right?
No, you feel warm, obviously. When alcohol hits you in, it makes you feel warm. But brandy, if you take it as a medicine, it's really good. You know?
Like a small cap, right? There's brandy.
Not exact. A peck or 2,
Yeah.
no more than that.
पैग और 2 का मैं तो एडवाइस नहीं दूंगी, है ना. वो हो गया. अब बहुत बीमार है तो आई थिंक यू कैन टेक लाइक 1 कैप ऑफ ब्रांडी. तो जो ब्रांडी का कैप होता है ना उसका.
इससे कुछ भी नहीं होगा.
Okay, guys, we are not promoting alcohol here. Bye. All right, guys, the chicken sekwa has come. बढ़िया लग रहा है, बढ़िया. आज एक्चुअली ना मुझे सेक्वा खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा था. How is it? सर ने तो खा भी लिया. Thank you, bye. Look, Ama, let's have the squat. Okay, so we're done with Tavern. And now the next destination and the final destination, I hope, I suppose, is Shangri-La. We're gonna Ignite. Ignite में कभी भी हम लोग Ignite में नहीं गए हैं ना. हम ऐसे ही नहीं like हाँ like बुलाया है शादी वगैरह में, उसमें गए हैं. Opening में भी गए थे, but then ऐसे drink करने नहीं गए. So we're going to Ignite. Let me show you the Ignite. So this is Ignite by Shangri-La. Okay, guys, do visit. Okay, this is like best experience in Darjeeling. Okay, so we're going to Ignite. So I'll show you how Ignite is. अभी तो Christmas Eve है. Christmas में तो यहाँ पे I think there is something going on. यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है actually. So हम आज जा रहे हैं. क्रिसमस में नहीं जाएंगे. चलिए फिर लेट्स गो टू इग्नाइट. लिफ्ट ढूंढा.
Second floor.
Let's take the stairs. Right. Sabut. Shangri-La. Okay. So this is Ignite. It is fine dining, sorry. First level is fine dining. So the first floor is fine dining, and then Ignite, and then the cafe. So we're going to Ignite today. This is fine dining. We're going to the second floor, which is the Ignite. Let me show you. Here it is. Okay, so we've come to Buds. So Buds आ चुके हैं. Buds is open, guys. Buds open है. सिर्फ live music नहीं हो रहा है. Otherwise Buds is open. So guys, you can come to Buds, okay? Shangri-La में there was like some private club कुछ था उनका आज. So we didn't go there. उनका कुछ Christmas Eve का कुछ चल रहा था. So we didn't go. So we are here. Oh, they have mulled wine. Okay, so the Christmas menu is like that. They have mulled wine, Irish coffee, old-fashioned ginger. Wow, nice. So, guys, this is our third stop, which is Buds. Come on, third cheers. Me with my mojito.
Thank you, Asna. Thank you so much. और आज हमने Thursday morning में
Happy Christmas once again.
हीरो स्टार सपन वो भी आई थे है ना
यहाँ से जूस पी पी के मेरे को जी ये पिला पिला के
मैं नहीं पिलाया.
मैं जो टल दी ये जो जूस में मस्त है.
मैंने कॉस्मो लिया था. कॉस्मो वाज गुड. बाकी तो आई एम हैविंग मोइतो कोक. लेकिन आई एम हैविंग अ गुड टाइम विद माय husband, of course. See you. All right, this is butter garlic prawn. बढ़िया लग रहा है. Let's try.
कभी भी घर में कुछ पूजा हो गई तो ऐसे तो होना सीखी बन जाती है. बच्चों अब दोनों बच्चों को बता दिया
Love prawn. The quantity is very nice, huh?
As a proper side by side अगर बना
Okay, we've reordered this prawn, butter garlic prawn. It's very nice. So ये जो prawn है ये बहुत अच्छा है. The taste is very good. So I've reordered. You better order it when you come to Buds. Prawn I know you shouldn't go, right? Huh? हम कभी भी रेस्टोरेंट पे जाते हैं ना, मैं और भंजू स्पेशली वी ओनली हैव स्नैक्स. उससे ही पेट भर जाता है. सो मेन कोर्स हम नहीं खाते हैं, यू नो. यूजुअली वेरी हंग्री ऑब्वियसली, अदरवाइज नहीं खाते. स्नैक्स ही इतना हो जाता है. Snacks are very nice here in Buds, guys. Better come to Buds. Don't miss it if you're in Darjeeling. Okay, guys, we're done here. So अब हम जा रहे हैं घर, क्योंकि बहुत हो गया. हम 3 रेस्टोरेंट में चले गए. So we really had a good time. So once again, I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and my glass of water, and I'm going home. Hello.
Best of best buddy. My brother, my buddy. सबै भन्यो उहाँ नै हो
है.
अन्त उहाँको त मैले इन्ट्रोडक्सन दिनु पनि पर्दैन. जतिले पनि
Buds आउनुहुन्छ.
मेरो साथी मेरो
साथी।
जति पनि छ सबैले उहाँलाई चिन्नुहुन्छ हो इज द जेम अफ अ पर्सन इट्स बिकज अफ हिम वी कम टु दिस प्लेस हुन्छ नि
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, love.
See you.
Good night. Okay, guys. So we're going back home. अब घर जा रही हूँ वापस. 10 बज गया. 10 बज गया कि 11 बज गया पता नहीं. So we had a good time. Had a good time.
Yeah, fantastic.
So wish Merry Christmas to my
Oh, Merry
subscribers.
Christmas to all the beautiful people all around the world. May this Christmas brings you immense happiness, prosperity, good health, you know, and yeah, peace all over the world.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. And I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. I had a great time today. Bye.